I am a funded day trader, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pass a prop firm challenge using the 5P strategy, trading one pair, one session, and one setup. This strategy happens continuously on the market, so if you think you missed out on an opportunity, no need to worry, because it's going to happen over and over and over again. And if you master this will be your first aha moment in your trading journey. So without further ado, let's hop into the charts and let me show you how to pass your first challenge using the 5P strategy. Okay guys, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to show you exactly how you can pass any single challenge using one pair, one session, and one time frame. So right now we have FX replay. I've set up an account here called the 5P strategy on a 100k account. The dates I have chosen is the 1st of December until present, so you guys can see exactly how we do it on this side. And like I said, this is what I have used personally to pass my phase 1 and my phase 2 of the sway funded sway markets. Okay, so yeah, let me not waste any time and let's jump straight into it. I need you guys to be very attentive and take notes on what I'm about to show you. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to trade this 100k account on FX replay so I can show you guys exactly how the strategy works. This is what I use on a day-to-day basis to pass any single challenge that I take. I have recently passed phase 1 and phase 2 of a 50k account, and not only have I passed that, I'm also sharing setups into my community so my members can also take profits regarding any other trades that we send out. There is a 50% sale going on at this moment in time, guys, so make sure you get involved. But without further ado, let's take a look at the charts. So in order to do the strategy, guys, one pair, one session, one setup. Okay, so the pair that we are going to be trading always is going to be GBP JPY. Okay, so this is going to be broken down into 4 simple steps. The first step that you need to do is you need to be trading only on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15-minute time frame is the only time frame you should care about when you're using this strategy on GBP JPY. The second thing that you need to do is you need to use a breakup structure. I assume anybody watching this video knows what the breakup structure is, so I don't have to go into too much detail. So step 1, 15-minute time frame. Step 2, look for a breakup structure. Step 3 is once we have that breakup structure, try and identify a level of imbalance, and we're going to be trying to take that trade around the 50% of that imbalance of the candle itself. And obviously the last step is the time frame. So we're going to be looking to trade this between 6 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. London time. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is we are on Monday already, so I'm just going to show you this here. So let's jump into the markets. 6 a.m. boom. And then the second line here is going to be at 11:30 or 11:45, since we're on the 15-minute time frame. This is called our window of opportunity. This is where we're looking to enter trades. Okay, so I'm just going to press play. So once I have that breakup structure, I want price to come and give me a bearish engulfing so I can move towards the downside. So we're just going to keep pressing play, keep pressing play, keep pressing play. It looks like we had a liquidity sweep over here. Amazing to see. Okay, boom. We have something nice. Let's see what happens next. So what I say this is nice is because of 2 reasons here. The reason number 1, where's the upside, it looks like it has now broken this level, okay, as we speak on the 15-minute time frame. So I would be looking to enter a trade roughly somewhere here. But first, I'll wait for price to close to give me that extra piece of confirmation. So we have the close and we also have a nice bearish engulfing. Perfect. So what I am going to do now, guys, is very, very simple. I'm going to enter a trade. We're going to go for... Your stop loss can vary from 18 pips to 25 pips, just depending on what you're feeling. So for now, let's just go for 20 pips. And we're going to target the lowest point of the day, which is down here. And that's that. So let's recap on the criteria, guys. The criteria is 15-minute time frame, check. The second thing is a breakup structure. We have that here, check. Third thing is imbalance, check, fourth, and let's see how this goes. Sorry, I did not place order. So what I need to do here, I'm just going to put price slightly below and just raise this a little bit here and place another order. And we're going to be risking 2% on this trade. Save and let's go. So I'm just going to pause and press play. Boom, take profit here. So now we're up 4%. Well, we're up 1,600. So we're actually up 6% on this because we're risking 2% per trade. And this is a nice 1:3. Easy. So basically, you just have to follow everything to a T. You know, we are all different people at the end of the day. So sometimes if you're floating 1%, lock in some price open. It's about to be 6 o'clock already. So I can already see something very, very interesting here. I can already see a break of structure. One at 11:45. Boom. Perfect. So what we're going to do now, we're going to wait for price to enter our window. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, we're at the window here. It looks like we would have been tagged in. So yeah, we kind of missed this opportunity, but still, if I was tagged in, I'll look for this here. And my target for this type of trade, I will be targeting somewhere up here because there is a nice bearish imbalance here. But for the sake of this trade, guys, I need to show you guys exactly those things there. So what I would do here is I will most likely just set a buy and just put price below the wick here. A nice 1:2. Oh, it's just one of those things. So I will just look for another break of structure, retest, and see what happens next. Hopefully price actually does come back to this point here because we do have that candle there. So what I will do here actually, guys, I will just try again. %. Market execution. Save. And yes, let's see how far this goes. Press play. Boom. Take profit here. At this point, we already passed the challenge in just a couple of days. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove this. We're already up 10%. Wednesday, the 4th of December, a break of structure. We need to have a 50% imbalance and the trade has to be taken within our window. Okay. So here, what I'm going to do next is draw my window of opportunity at 6 a.m. Then the second window over here at 11:45. After seeing what I just saw just a couple of seconds ago there, guys, I wouldn't want to miss out on an opportunity like so. As you can see, we have a break. I'm literally going to set a buy limit. Yeah, so what I will do, I will set a buy limit like this. And we're from point to point, but I am just looking to trade this and just have a nice 1:3. Okay, the aim of the game is not to get greedy, so 20 pips like this. So where am I going to pick this out? Maybe somewhere around. I have just targeted these highs, as you can see, which lines up with this, a nice 1:3. And then we're gonna do this, place order, 2%. And then this will be a limit. Save, press play. Let's see how this goes. Tagged in. Okay, we're up. Take profit smashed. Easy. And yeah, guys, you can do this on a day-to-day basis. There are some other things I have to add in order to make my confluences 10 times stronger. The only thing I will say is the worst day to do this is a Friday. You can do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Let me just show you what it looks like on a Thursday. So Thursday, let's need, okay, so right here, we are at 6 a.m. About to be 6 a.m. anyways. Boom. Okay, we have some sort of break of structure over here. So the imbalance is right here. And this is the break of structure. Next candle, we have a bullish candle. So I will be expecting price to be bullish at this point, so we can actually buy to sell. But I'd rather just buy first and see if price actually sells from that point. So we have this. Okay, price continue to push down. Okay, so this is no longer valid for now. So now we're looking for another break of structure. Price is just pushing down. Okay, boom. Hopefully we get a break of structure here. And with this being the break of structure, depending on how the candle closes, I believe 50% of this would be somewhere around here. Retesting this. So what I will then do is I wouldn't waste any time, guys. I will just go for a buy right here. And I will most likely just target that area from the first point, which is over here. In terms of stop loss, let's go for a 15 pip stop loss. This is quite rather tight, so we don't want to do that. Give the trade some room to breathe, so 20 pips. And then if we want to, guys, we could actually just target the high of the day. But what I do think I see price doing, we have this wick over here. Liquidity will come out, but that doesn't matter. We just want a 1:3. So yeah, place order. Place order. 2%. 2%. Limit. And we're off. Okay, we're tagged in. Boom, nice. Easy, gone. Love to see it. And yeah, that's basically how that works on a day-to-day basis, guys. So what we could do is, let's just check out what this looks like on Friday. So go to the next day open. On Friday, we're here. We redraw everything else here. So 6 a.m. Then the next is 11:45. Delete these lines. And then we go into this. So we're looking for a clear break of structure. So before this candle had actually formed, this would have been a nice clean break of structure over here. And what I would have had done is taken a sell short position right where it's at, 20 pips, stop loss, and my target would actually be this area here, or even this low zone of that Fibonacci of the wick on this candle here. Place order, 2%. Let's go. Press play. Tagged in, tagged out. And that's basically why we do not trade Fridays, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's basically the 5P strategy. There is a lot more to it. I don't want to make this video 1 hour long, but if you are interested in, you know, trading how I trade, give this a go. If it works for you, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you want to be part of the 5P team so you can get full access to this strategy, check the link in the description, and everything is going to be good from there. Anyways, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. So let's take a look at the analytics dashboard, guys. So in total, we took a total of 7 trades, 5 wins and 2 losses, which is absolutely amazing. The win rate was 71.43%. We made a total of 23% on this account in the matter of days that we traded. Really and truly speaking, guys, it's not about win rate. It's more about risk to reward ratio, I highly suggest you risk a total of 1% per trade and have a risk to reward for 1:3. So you can lose one trade, you can lose 3 trades in a row, which is perfectly fine. And if your next trade is a winner, you're back to break even. Whereas if you're risking 1:1, you'd have to make 3 wins consistently or consecutively in order to get back to break even. Whereas if you're trading with the 1:3, you can lose 3 times in a row and your next win can bring you back up to break even. So I'm not too heavy on win rate, but I am heavy on risk to reward ratio. So let's take a further look at the analytics and see what they're telling us here. So our average OR was 2.71 and our max OR was 3.22, which is absolutely amazing. Go on break even, it is up to you regardless. So usually if you're 1% in profit, sometimes lock something in, but I usually just want to let the trade run its course and do what it has to do. Okay, because usually sometimes if you go break even, what happens is price will tag you out and continue to go back in your intended direction. So that's why sometimes I'm not heavy on going break even. It just depends if there's a news event or something like that that can out hours, which is amazing. So we don't have to be in the trade for a couple of days or like 4 to 8 hours or anything like that. It's a quick in and out. So yeah, total of 7 trades, and we were on this account for 9 days. And in that 9 days, we managed to pass a phase 1 and a phase 2. So total trades was 5 trades for the winning trades. 6.44% was the best trade. The average trade percentage, as you can see here, was 4.98%. Because don't forget, we are risking 2% per trade, so that's that. The average duration was 2 hours and 35 minutes. So we were on a 4-win streak, and our max win streak was 4 for that period of time. So now, it's not always good to focus on the winners. It's better to also take a look at the losers and see basically what was going on there. So here we can see with the losers, we had 2 losses. The worst loss is 1.64%. The average loss is 1.63%. And the average duration for these losses were very, very quick, as you can see. So we were in our winning trades longer than we were in our losing trades, which says a lot. We had a total of 2 losses consecutively, I believe, and that was that. So taking a further look here, as you can see, we had more wins buying than we did selling. So a lot of traders don't know that you could actually be better at looking for buying opportunities versus selling. Personally, we don't discriminate on biases here. So yeah, that's that. As you can see, the win rate for buys was 100%, and for losses, it was 33.33. So yeah, that speaks for itself. So now we're going to take a look at performance fits into our window of opportunity. So now moving forward, the performance per day. So Monday seemed to be our good day. Tuesday was our best day, to be honest. We made 8,000, but we also lost 2. So yeah, Wednesday, standard. Thursday, standard. And like I said, guys, Fridays, personally for me, are not good days to be trading. And that's pretty much that. In total, for that 1 week in December, we managed to make a total of 23.36%, which is amazing. And yeah, guys, that's basically it here regarding the 5P strategy on how to pass any single challenge. This is what I teach to the students in the 5P community. So if you are interested, hit the link in bio. Currently, I am doing a Christmas sale, so the 50% off any package, which is the basic standard package or the standard package itself, and the 5P masterclass where you can learn everything in one go. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and always subscribe. I'm going to leave it at that. Let there be peace in the Middle East, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.